Hello everyone, Guinea Pigs G here. I am doing a little video today on Piggy's first time eating beets. So we're going to see how that goes. It's their veggie time. So they're having carrot, yellow pepper, tomato, a little bit of dill that they've had once before, but I don't give it too much because it's high in calcium. And I'm trying to watch their calcium right now. So we'll just make sure each bowl gets a carrot. There. Now we'll see what happens with the beets. What's that? Ooh. Copper Bottom likes it. What do you think, Angel? Oh, Angel likes it. You want to try, Chloe? Everybody likes it so far. Not too crazy for it, Penelope. Okay, here we go. We'll just add everything in now. Seem to like the beet. I'm not really fussy over it. I think they'll like the greens out of everything. Now I pre-measured all this because I find if I don't pre-measure, then I overfeed. I tend to overfeed because even though it looks like, oh, it's not a lot, but you know, looks can be deceiving. So I just measure it out. That way I'm sure they're getting 6 cups. That doesn't mean that, you know, like that one there, Little Miss Porky Pork. Oh, now I got beet juice all on my curtains. There's another job for me. That doesn't mean that Angel is just eating a cup, because she's pretty chunky. But I keep an eye on her while she's eating to make sure that she don't overdo it. And if she starts to overdo it too much, I'll take her out and give her a timeout with Mom. Let the others catch up to her. Can I bring the camera over here, Baldwin? Let's see if you like beets. I'll go over to Baldwin's. Excuse me, ladies. You like beets, Baldwin? Whoa. Yes, sir. I think he likes it. That's funny. Oh my goodness, that's good, isn't it? He's going crazy for it. Is he good? I'll give you a couple sprigs of dill. There's his cup. You like it, eh? Oh, that's going to be a mess. Good thing it's laundry day. Beet juice all over everything. Num, num, num. Okay. Baby and Harriet are waiting so patiently. Good girls. Sorry guys for wiggling his all around. Okay, here we go. You ready? Didn't eat all your pellets. Are you ready? You want to give it a try? Want to try beet? Here you go, Phoebe. No, I'm not going to let you go hide. Eat it there. That a good girl. You want to try? Ooh. You don't want Harriet having it. Here, Harriet. Here, Harriet. Mommy got a piece for you, too. There you go. Must like it. They're gone. Now they're getting the same mixture as what the other ones got. One thing with feeding beets, it can change the color of their urine. So don't panic if their urine is a little pink. Don't think it's blood, it's just the beets. There. Everybody's happy eating and I'm a mess. My wedding band is all full of beet juice. Is it good? You want to try some dill? Oh, good girl. Is it good? You like it, Harriet? Is it yummy? Did Mommy do a good job shopping today? Try some more? So get it myself, Mom. Okay, Phoebe, come on out. Quit hiding. So, all in all, I say it's a success. You want to try some dill? Hey, Phoebe? Try a little dill? So if your piggy has problems with stones or anything like that, or sludge in their urine, dill's not a good idea. Like I said, they've had this once before and it was dry. And today I thought, well, I'll try them on the fresh. But it's not something they will be getting often. Especially not my old girl, because she's having a problem with sludgy urine. But I got it under control for now. Knock on wood. And we'll see how she does today. I have to look up on Guinea links to see about beets, because I'm not sure if they're high in calcium or not. But I'll have to take a look to know for sure. But that's a great place to go if ever you have any questions, or if you're wondering something. Guinea links, they can answer pretty much anything. Just punch in what you want to know, and it'll lead you right to where it is and give you ideas of what the problem could be, or what's good to feed, what's not good to feed. Pretty much anything you see on anybody's videos, you can pretty much find it on Guinea links. And even still, like if you're researching and stuff like that and you hear something on my video or on anybody's video, from my experience is, if you hear something, your best bet is to double check it. Do your own research. It's always important. It never hurts to learn. It's always good to do your own research. That way there you know, and even then, still ask your vet, because this is your pet. It's just like your child. Well, to me, they're just like my children. I'm not going to just take somebody's opinion or advice on something. I'm going to double check it. I'm going to check with my vet to make sure that it's okay and it's good for them. And you should have an exotic vet always ready to be called on if you need them. Because exotic vets, they know what they're doing when it comes to guinea pigs, because they're considered an exotic pet. So if it's a regular vet, they don't really know too much. They might know the basics, but you're better off with an exotic vet. So I've been rambling on. I guess I'm going to let it end here and just say thanks for watching, and I hope you comment, and I hope you like this little video, and please subscribe, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.